小爱同学，
在
下降。Hello everyone, I'm Chester Chen from Taiwan. It's not Thailand, it's Taiwan. This is my third build about habit, the voice control standing desk. It makes my life healthier and more convenient. Before I introduce how I did it, let's go back 2 weeks ago. I have a bad habit that I will sit in a chair all day long, which is not very good for health. To get rid of this, I bought a standing desk. However, every time I adjust the height of the standing desk, I have to keep press the button for half a minute, which bothers me a lot. Then I wonder, is there any way to combine my voice control assistant and a standing desk to make a voice control standing desk?
电梯楼楼
I start to make a list of my requirements. First of all, it needs to be controlled by voice. Of course. Second, it can be controlled by app. Third, it can be controlled by timer. Fourth, it can set specific height, such as 100 centimeters. Fifth, keep the physical button. And the last one, an emergency button is required. It can be stopped urgently. Based on my requirements, I use an Arduino Uno board to program, an ultrasonic module to measure the height of the desk, an infrared receiver module to receive remote control signals, use 3D printer to customize a control box, which can install all the components. After connecting some wires, the hard weight of the control box is basically completed. The design of this system is that, after receiving the voice command, my voice control assistant converts it into an infrared signal. When the infrared receiver receives the signal, it will trigger the ultrasonic module to measure the height of the desk. If the height is too low, the upwave relay will be turned on, vice versa. Of course, it can also be controlled directly by the physical buttons. Unfortunately, lots of problems came out soon. Oh sh**. After 350 lines of coding and some wiring, the final build is completed. Now, let's test the function. First, voice control. 小爱同学，
在
上升。Voice control check. Second, app control. App control check. Third, time control. I can set the timer to raise the desk every hour, or raise to the height of eating at 6 p.m. and raise to the height of reading at 7 a.m. You know, when reading in the morning, it's harder to fall asleep while standing. Set to the specific height. 小爱同学，
哎，
制定90。Yes? The emergency button. When I press 2 buttons at the same time, the system will be stopped urgently. Okay, that's all about my third build. I learned a lot from everyone's project. Looking forward to see more. If you are interested in the code of my voice control standing desk, feel free to contact me on Facebook or visit my YouTube channel. I'm Chester Chen. See you!